Are your gutters clogged and full of debris, causing them to overflow? Are your gutters sagging or falling away because they are heavy and full of debris? Overflowing gutters are the leading cause of basement damage and foundation problems. And you do not want to deal with this. We have a solution. We will clean your gutters and ensure they are draining properly. You will always want to make sure that the water is flowing toward your downspout. Another option we offer is gutter covers to protect your gutters from ever clogging again. Gutter covers stop debris from going into your gutters, in addition to creating a nice tight seal across the back of the gutter at your fascia board, eliminating debris from ever entering your gutter. We are roof revivers. Call us today for your free gutter inspection at 614-300-2133. That's 614-300-2133.